Well, hello. I hope all is well for you. I just wanted to bring you through the various steps that you have to go through in order to work on the assignment in Teams on week 5. A little while ago, I sent you all an email blast, and basically, in that email, I asked all of you to um, exchange information to start getting ready and working with Teams. We'll go through all of this on Saturday if you're still a little rusty on it, but at least exchange information with one another. So let me kind of briefly walk through the assignment with you in week 5. Okay, you're going to log into Blackboard, obviously, and that's how you're going to see this announcement, this blast announcement. Then once you log into Blackboard, I want you to go to weekly modules and go to week 5. When you go to week 5, click on description writing, read over everything about description writing, and then cursor down to learning activities. Where the group assignment is, and it's in week 5, AS1. Now, if you open that folder up, you're going to see week 5, AS1 description assignment. And it's going to give you a sample technical description of a laptop tripod. All of you guys have worked with specs. I'm sure you're very familiar how to do that. That's just a sample. When you go to the next hyperlink, it's going to give you how you're going to go about doing this, technical description. And it's going to give you the objectives. I want you to just read through it, don't get nervous about it, but look at what your teams are going to try to accomplish. You're going to be doing this weeks 5, 6, and 7. You're building on this paradigm. It's spec writing, it's giving you samples, it's telling you that you've got to come up with a product. And Manny, you remember you did this with your marketing team. And Christian, I know that you are you're working on orthopedic stuff. You guys do technical writing all the time. You're doing this for J and J, Christian. Um, I know Robin, you do a lot of technical writing. All of you do in your own right. Your electricians, your carpenters, your plumbers, and all of you have very good technical skills. So writing these specs, I'm getting tongue-tied here, as a team is something that you normally do, okay, when you work together. Um, I don't want you to get hung up on this, but right now, at least exchange the information and try to get together online somehow. I sent everyone a blast, as I said, of everyone's email. So this is very doable, and definitely we're going to talk about it on Saturday. If you got to reach out to me, do it, okay? You have everyone's email in your teams, all right? You have Awesome 4 and Fantastic 4. So you should be able to at least communicate with one another right now. Start talking together, working on the project. And then when we get into class on Saturday, we'll really dive into this. Okay? Contact me if you have to. You know how to get me. You got my cell, 617-842-2856. Send me a text. We can do the same thing. I can walk you through it again. But don't panic. That's the thing. But don't ignore it. I haven't seen any interaction here. And one of the team members had reached out to me and said, "Hey, I tried contacting people and I can't." All right. So let's work it through, and I will see you on Saturday. Okay.